Alright, Eric, go to the field so I can take a picture of you.
Where, like over there?
Yeah, just go over by the bush over there.
What do you want me to do?
Just do a pose, I guess. I don't know. Whatever you want.
Like ninja moves?
Sure.
Okay, like... Ow. Sprained my ankle. Okay, that hurt. Ow. Right here. Ow, that hurt.
Yeah, that
Like...
Actually, yeah. Just...
Ow.
Alright, now, yeah, just keep on doing that.
Okay. That actually really hurt.
Yeah, okay. We'll go with that. Yeah, he slapped that mosquito.
Do I take it?
Yeah, just give me a sec.
Wait. You're recording, aren't you?
No, whatever gave you that idea?
Because you're not doing anything!
Alright, I'm about to push the button. See? Finger on button, right?
Okay.
Now.
Yeah, whatever, you're recording. Ow.
No, I'm not.
Ow.
Get away from me, Eric.
Ow.
Get away from me.
Ow.
No.
Here.